Hey everyone, Dr. Jacob with Cook Chiropractic here, and I just wanted to get on and talk about one of the questions or otherwise concerns that some of the newer patients in the office I see sometimes have. And that's that the adjustments may hurt. Now, I'm here to reassure you that the adjustments are not hurtful. Sometimes, when we're adjusting patterns that have been in place within the body, whether that's due to physical, mental, or chemical stress, for up to 15 to 20 years, yeah, that can definitely leave some soreness. It's like going to the gym for the first time in a while and lifting weights. Your body's going to be sore. But we don't anticipate that that's something that lasts very long after your adjustments. More often than not, it's just the first few adjustments when we're starting to break up that pattern. Now, if that's something that's been keeping you from starting with chiropractic care, don't hesitate to call or text the office. We would love to talk to you about it, and each one of our doctors uses different adjustments every single day to make sure that our patients are comfortable. We'll talk to you soon.